1950's Italian 7cm, 2.75-inch switchblade. Really nice one. Amazing stag on this. It's a little off center. So that stag is just aged so nicely. The pattern doesn't necessarily match, but the color just matches great. This is one of the nicest 2.75-inch I've seen. For example, this pick lock is finished really well, and it's tapered so you barely fit your thumbnail under there. I added the tassel, I don't even know where I got that one, but anyway, I added it. All right, dagger blade, that's an inox mark that I don't see very often. So here's the features. Dagger blade has soldered on bolsters, slip-in spring. You can kind of see in there. There we go, that's better. It does have de-stamped liner, but the spring is in the way, you can't see it. Pretty sweet little mini.